In this video, we're sharing 5 incredibly delicious and easy-to-make detox drinks that will help you achieve your health goals. These drinks are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and other nutrients that can help boost your metabolism, flush out toxins, and leave your skin looking radiant. We've got something for everyone, from refreshing citrus blends to soothing herbal infusions. So, whether you're just starting your health journey or looking for new ways to upgrade your routine, these detox drinks are the perfect addition to your day. Get ready to sip your way to a healthier, happier you. Let's kick things off with a classic lemon and mint detox water. This simple yet powerful drink is incredibly refreshing and perfect for any time of day. Whether you're lounging by the pool, working at your desk, or just need a quick pick-me-up, this drink has got you covered. For this recipe, you'll need just 3 simple ingredients: fresh lemons, fresh mint leaves, and water. These ingredients are not only easy to find but also packed with health benefits. That's it. Start by slicing a whole lemon into thin rounds. The thinner the slices, the more flavor they will release into the water. No need to peel them, all the good stuff is in the rind too. The rind contains essential oils and nutrients that are beneficial for your health. Grab a handful of fresh mint leaves, give them a good clap between your hands to release their aroma, which will make your detox water even more fragrant and flavorful, and then toss them into a pitcher. The mint leaves will add a burst of freshness to your drink. Add the lemon slices and fill the pitcher with cold, filtered water. Using filtered water ensures that your drink is as clean and pure as possible. Give everything a gentle stir and pop it in the fridge for at least an hour to let the flavors infuse. The longer you let it sit, the more intense the flavors will become. This will give the water a subtly sweet and citrusy taste with a hint of minty freshness. It's a delightful combination that will keep you coming back for more. Lemon is a natural diuretic, which means it can help flush out excess water weight and toxins. It's a great way to support your body's natural detoxification process. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin C, an antioxidant that promotes healthy, glowing skin. Regular consumption can help improve your complexion and overall skin health. Mint aids digestion and can help soothe an upset stomach. It's also known for its ability to relieve headaches and improve mental clarity. It also adds a refreshing flavor that makes this detox water super enjoyable to drink. You'll find yourself reaching for this drink again and again. Try sipping on this throughout the day, especially first thing in the morning, to kickstart your metabolism and feel energized. It's a fantastic way to start your day on a healthy note and keep your energy levels up. Next up, we have a powerful antioxidant booster, green tea and lemon detox. This drink combines the fat-burning properties of green tea with the vitamin C punch of lemon for a truly potent health elixir. Start by brewing a cup of green tea. We recommend using high-quality loose-leaf tea for the best flavor and maximum benefits. While it's still hot, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The heat will help release the citrusy oils and enhance the flavor. Green tea is known for its metabolism-boosting effects thanks to a compound called EGCG, which has been shown to increase fat oxidation. It's also packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Combined with the vitamin C and diuretic properties of lemon, this drink becomes a powerful tool for weight loss and detoxification. For an extra refreshing twist, add a few ice cubes and a sprig of mint to your glass. You can also experiment with other herbs and spices like ginger or cinnamon for an added flavor boost. This detox drink is perfect for a midday pick-me-up or an afternoon energy boost. It's also a great alternative to sugary drinks and can help curb those sweet cravings. Chapter 3. Cucumber and Lime Detox Water. Hydration Hero. Time to cool down with a super hydrating and refreshing blend, Cucumber and Lime Detox Water. This drink is like a mini spa day for your insides, promoting hydration, clear skin, and a healthy digestive system. For this recipe, you'll need a whole cucumber, 1 lime, and water. Start by slicing the cucumber into thin rounds. No need to peel it. Slice the lime into wedges. Add the cucumber and lime to a pitcher of cold filtered water. Give everything a gentle muddle with a wooden spoon to release the flavors. You want to lightly bruise the ingredients, not completely crush them. Pop the pitcher in the fridge for at least an hour to allow the flavors to infuse. Cucumber is a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and reduce bloating. It's also incredibly hydrating, which is essential for healthy skin, digestion, and overall well-being. Lime adds a zesty kick and a good dose of vitamin C, boosting your immune system and promoting collagen production for healthy, glowing skin. This detox water is perfect for sipping on throughout the day, especially after a workout or when you're feeling dehydrated. It's also a great low-calorie alternative to sugary drinks and can help curb those cravings. Chapter 4. Apple Cider Vinegar Detox Drink, the Metabolism Booster. Now let's talk about a detox drink that's been making waves in the health world. Apple Cider Vinegar Detox Drink. This drink has gained popularity for its numerous health benefits and its ability to support a healthy lifestyle. This tangy and slightly sweet drink is known for its potential to boost metabolism, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote weight loss. Many people have incorporated it into their daily routines to help manage their weight and improve their overall health. Don't worry, it doesn't taste as intense as it sounds. The combination of ingredients creates a balanced flavor that's both refreshing and enjoyable. For this recipe, you'll need raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Look for the mother at the bottom of the bottle, honey, and warm water. The mother is a colony of beneficial bacteria that can enhance the health benefits of the vinegar. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of honey to a glass. The honey not only adds sweetness, but also brings its own set of health benefits. Fill the rest of the glass with warm water and stir until the honey is dissolved. Warm water helps to dissolve the honey more effectively and makes the drink more palatable. Apple cider vinegar is believed to help stabilize blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for weight management and reducing cravings. This can be particularly helpful for those looking to maintain a balanced diet and avoid overeating. It's also thought to promote feelings of fullness, which can help you eat less overall. This can be a great aid in controlling portion sizes and preventing unnecessary snacking. Honey adds a touch of natural sweetness and has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can support your immune system and overall well-being. Plus, it helps to balance out the tartness of the apple cider vinegar, making the drink more enjoyable to consume regularly. It's best to drink this detox drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. Starting your day with this drink can kickstart your metabolism and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. However, if you have any concerns about the acidity, you can dilute it further or consult with your doctor. It's always a good idea to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed to ensure you're getting the most out of this detox drink. Chapter 5. Ginger and Turmeric Detox Tea, the Anti-Inflammatory Elixir. Last but not least, we have a soothing and warming elixir, Ginger and Turmeric Detox Tea. This tea is not just a beverage, it's a ritual that brings comfort and wellness into your daily routine. This drink combines the anti-inflammatory power of ginger and turmeric with the comforting warmth of a cup of tea, making it perfect for any time of day or night. Whether you're starting your morning or winding down in the evening, this tea is a perfect companion. For this recipe, you'll need fresh ginger root, ground turmeric, honey, and water. These simple ingredients come together to create a powerful and delicious drink. Start by peeling and grating a small piece of ginger root. The fresh ginger adds a spicy kick and a host of health benefits. Add the grated ginger and a teaspoon of ground turmeric to a pot of boiling water. The turmeric not only gives the tea a beautiful golden color, but also infuses it with its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to infuse. This simmering process helps to extract the beneficial compounds from the ginger and turmeric. Strain the tea into a mug and add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Honey not only sweetens the tea but also adds its own antibacterial and soothing properties. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and digestive aid, helping to soothe nausea, reduce bloating, and support healthy digestion. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties that can help boost the immune system and protect against chronic diseases. This makes it an excellent addition to your daily wellness routine. This detox tea is perfect for sipping on when you're feeling under the weather, providing warmth and comfort. After a meal, it can aid digestion, helping to break down food and reduce bloating. Or before bed, it can help you unwind and prepare for a restful sleep, making it a versatile addition to your daily routine. You can adjust the amount of ginger and turmeric to your liking, tailoring the tea to your personal taste and health needs, and add a squeeze of lemon juice for an extra boost of flavor and vitamin C. The lemon not only enhances the taste but also adds an extra layer of health benefits, making this tea a true elixir for the body and soul. And there you have it. 5 incredibly delicious and easy-to-make detox drinks that will have you feeling amazing from the inside out. Which one are you most excited to try? Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Try incorporating these detox drinks into your daily routine, and see the difference they can make in your health, energy levels, and skin. Which detox drink are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes.